My beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. I remain your beloved Ekene. Today's video will be dealing with the cause and the solution. The death of ladies nowadays has prompted this video. The ladies who died on the process of delivering. Series of deaths of our young ladies. Those who newly married and on the way to give birth, the bad news will come up. Yes, I'm one of them who prays, but I think we need to know some certain things that might have been causing this problem, and also in this video we will touch the solution that will eliminate all this misunderstanding and the entrance of the devil or the enemy into newly coupled marriages or new relationships, because as they say, 70% of divorce is between the first year to 6 years. Most people do not make it to the 7th year. Between this 6 to 7th year, there will be 2 or 3 kids on the way. I'm shooting this video in August 2020, and I just heard a news last month, a touching one for that matter, a lady who died on her way to deliver a child. To give birth is a program, it's a project, it's not a small journey. And so if you have been there, you will testify. And this video is just to prevent all this bad news. This video is to give us a better insight on what actually have been happening and what might have been the unknown cause of this death or misunderstanding. Because if you ask the man, he will say there have not been any problem. They have been living fine. In fact, 90% of this death, you can't trace it. But actually carried out some research, and I will give you, because it's a short video, I'll try to crunch some of these findings into a short video. So stay with me as we do it together. I want you to pay attention. If you are new in your marriage, this video is for you. If you have people who just got wedded, please share this video with them. You will save a life. And if you know anyone in trouble or in the breach of divorce, find a way to share this video. If you already have your kids, you can as well pick 1 or 2 points for your children. Thank you, and remain highly blessed as we ride on. Most 5 points that is causing the entrance of the enemy into new relationships. You see, recent bad news on such is alarming. Try to watch this video to the end, and please comment down below. Is it that you agree or disagree? Please let's discuss down below, because I'll be going there to see the outcome of this video and also improve in my next episode. Let's analyze 5 challenges that most new partners encounter. This tangible 5 reason is somehow unknown. Some people take it for granted, and that is why I have chosen to work on them. Number 1 is life restructuring. Life restructuring is yet to fully accept the new status. You see that you are married. Some people are married to their car. I will be frank with you. Some people are married to 1 or 2 animals. Some people are married to their house. So it's a space that God allowed in us, that the space, the vacuum must be filled. So it's not good for one to be alone. But people don't actually know that it is difficult to live with someone. It is something that you will step in without knowing what you are going to face. Death that we are talking about, the problem that manifests during childbearing, actually started long when they married. It actually started at the beginning of that relationship, especially those who just married, the foundation of that relationship. There are medical results. I'm not disputing those ones. Some of these situations, we can overcome it. People don't expect that the fire that they are putting in their hand can actually burn them. I'm not concluding, I'm not generalizing. Life restructuring, yet to fully accept the new status. Not everybody have accepted the status. They accepted married. They are yet to accept submission. Because in my previous video, I have said it. If you haven't watched it, I thought if you click up or check out my videos, you will see where I thought about the definition of marriage, formulas to get your marriage going. I believe marriage is two people submitting to each other, not only the woman or the man, but two people who submit to each other. With this concept, it will be very difficult for one to just think, okay, I'm testing you, or I can easily walk away. This is our major problem. It has become a root, a bitter root that we plant by ourselves in our marriages. It is dangerous. This is satanic seeds that we plant in our marriage at the earlier stage. Now, when Mrs. A and Mr. A come together, they like the relationship, but they don't like the submission. The boy will always want to still be that single guy who mingle with everyone. Okay, when to come home and how you go for the day. Their plans are yet to include each other. When you're starting to know the reality of staying with someone who submits, who rules, who leads, who is the chef in this journey. You might have seen it, you might have heard it, but when you are in this journey, it becomes a tough, rough mountain in your life. So life restructuring is the name, and until you learn how to restructure and accept the new status, accepting the fact that, oh, my wife will not allow me to go, or my husband might not allow me to go. The moment you want to enter into a relationship or marriage, you should be able or ready to have your life restructured. Include your neighbor or your partner in your timetable. In fact, you be the weaker one, the sub leader or the weaker person in that relationship, because this is the problem. So if you accept the weak, and if your neighbor or your partner allows you to be on top, good. If not, you have accepted it, and that is it. Life can carry on. Now, second is reality nightmare. I'm not talking about reality, but the nightmare of that reality. When you watch Hollywood, the lectures on relationship, that is not real. The reality nightmares, when reality will come and the nightmare of that reality might show up. I'm not generalizing, like I said, but 70% guarantee. And I'm still trying to point at the cause of these problems. This will help every marriage, but I'm specifically talking about the deaths of those who want to deliver baby and then they will die. It's not going to be your portion, and it's not going to be the portion of even your enemy. So the reality will begin to show up, and you have watched tons of video, tons of books you've read on marriage. So when all these nightmares started showing up, it will throw both of them off balance. It's not only the women, it is also with the men. It's just that the risk there is that along the line, baby will show up. The woman will begin to think twice. Now, let's talk about number 3. The man or the woman. Their flaws will begin to show up. At the beginning, it's all about loving. I love you. I love you. But the moment you step in, it will not be up to a month, 2 months, sometimes 6